part of my spiritual practice as a pantheist is to come out into nature, particularly on Sunday mornings. It's a way to regenerate and feel connected and in harmony with the natural world and with the divine presence. Most pantheists see that going out into nature is what a pantheist would consider going to church. From a pantheist perspective, building a church to worship a god separates the person from the actual presence of God. When I'm out in nature, there are three things that I tend to do. First, I will exercise and get out and hike and move around. Second, I will spend time in meditation, which means I'll find a nice place to sit, and I'll sit still and allow things to settle and quiet my mind and just be completely present. And third, I will spend a little bit of time reading and writing. This is important because it helps give a little bit of structure to moving forward in the spiritual path. Right now I'm reading the book Elements of Pantheism by Paul Harrison. Religious Reverence of Nature and the Universe, 2nd edition. You can see it's pretty thin, but it does such a great job of just explaining things clearly and concisely and logically. So it's very great to be reading this and just get straightforward information about pantheism and to help me have a greater understanding of how to connect with this divine force in order to live a more happy and in harmony and peaceful and a sense of belonging onto this earth. So if you get the opportunity, spend some time out in nature as part of your way of spiritually connecting with yourself and your surrounding and the divine presence.